and in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your HSBC Bank's online banking account. And with that said, it's pretty simple, so just follow the step. And yeah, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump right into the video now, shall we? First step, search for HSBC Bank login. Click on Versus Log On to Online Banking. It'll bring you to this website. Over here, enter your username first and then click on Versus Continue. And then it's going to take you to the page where it's going to ask for your password. And after entering your password, click on Versus Login. And once you do that, it might be login or continue button. Alright, just click on it and then it will log you into your HSBC's online banking account. Hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.